Exploiting backdoor vulnerability in Metasploitable. Welcome to SecureFlix. We will exploit a backdoor vulnerability in Metasploitable step by step, so watch till end. What is a backdoor? A backdoor is a hidden entry point into a system that bypasses normal security measures, allowing unauthorized access. Open VirtualBox. Start Metasploitable. Wait till it starts. We will use it because it contains the backdoor vulnerability. Go back to VirtualBox. Start Kali Linux. Wait till it starts. We will use this machine to exploit backdoor vulnerability in Metasploitable. Log in as user MSF admin. Password MSF admin. Go back to VirtualBox. Start pfSense. We will start pfSense to access Internet. Make sure only pfSense, Metasploitable, and Kali Linux virtual machines are running in VirtualBox for simplicity. Log in as user. Enter your password. Go. Now first step in hacking is to find IP address of target machine. Your target is Metasploitable, so we need its IP address. IP address is a unique number given to each device on Internet for communication. In simple words, it is digital home address of device. Kali Linux is our attack machine. We will use its terminal. Terminal is a command line tool to execute commands. In simple words, it's a place where you can talk to computer and give instructions. Click on the terminal. It will open up like this. Now we will type a command. Net discover. If it shows any error, it's because of root permissions. Let's do this. Sudo net discover. It will ask for password you set. Simply type it and press enter. It will start finding IP addresses of devices in your LAN. If you remember, we set network adapter of all machines as internal network in previous video. 2 machines are running except our Kali Linux. So it will display 2 IP address. The first one is of pfSense because the IP address of router or firewall is lowest, so the second one is of Metasploitable. Now we will minimize the terminal window. Open browser in Kali Linux and type the IP address 192.168.1.100 in search bar. It will take some time to load the web page. Once it loaded successfully, minimize the Chrome window. We are going to exploit backdoor vulnerability VSFTPD 2.3.4 in Metasploitable. VSFTPD stands for Very Secure File Transfer Protocol Daemon, which is a secure FTP server used in Unix-like systems for secure file transfers. A malicious backdoor was introduced in its official source code in 2011. This vulnerability is tracked as CVE 201125223 and is rated critical with CVSS version 3.1 score of 9.8. Let's move on practical. We need to connect to this FTP server. For that we need to open terminal in Kali Linux. Type a command nc metasploitable IP or target IP, which is 192.168.1.10021. Press enter. It will display 220 VSFTPD 2.3.4. Now enter username followed by colon and closing angular bracket. Then enter pass. The server will trigger backdoor. Here NC stands for Netcat, a command line tool that supports several network functions like connecting to a remote server using TCP or UDP, listening on a port, scanning open ports, transferring files, debugging network connections, etc. We want to connect to FTP server, so used it. 21 at the end of command is a port for FTP server usually. The colon with closing angular bracket at the end of user is the specifically crafted username. Now, click on plus sign in top left corner of terminal to open a new terminal. Type command nc versus target IP 192.168.1.1006200 to connect to the backdoor shell. NC stands for Netcat. Versus is for verbosity, to provide detailed information about what the system or program is doing. 6200 at the end is a port for TCP or UDP communication. Once it's done, we will run commands here, but it will execute on Metasploitable. Let's use ls command. ls will list all the files and directories here. You can see the output here. We got root access to the machine. Let's change directory to home where users are present. For that, use command cd home. Type ls to list the files and directories. You can see msf admin here, the username we used to log in Metasploitable. Let's move in msf admin using command cd msf admin. Let's run ls command. It's showing a directory named vulnerable. To cross-check, let's execute this command in Metasploitable machine. Type ls and it will show same. A directory name vulnerable. Let's reboot the Metasploitable machine from Kali Linux terminal by typing reboot in shell. You can see it is stopping all the services on Metasploitable and will soon restart it. The backdoor vulnerability is successfully exploited now off the machines one by one. We will perform other tasks in next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment for any query. I will try to answer it to the best of my knowledge. Thank you for watching.